Hi Webbers, today I am going to challenge myself again in this video. I am going to make a web game, which will be hard and challenging because you all love to see me in trouble. Before starting anything, I tell you all of this I have to complete it in 1 week. And I am having no idea of making any kind of game. So, let's start the video. So, this is day 1 of making web game in 1 week. Now, before starting anything else, I will first go to Trello and make a plan that what I have to do. I have created the project in the code editor. Now I will move to the character and background designing. Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Now day 1 had come to its end. Now I will do the pending work on day 2. So, it is now day 2 and too much work is left in this project. I have to be fast now. I will see you all at the end of the day. Now it is the end of the day, and I have complete some work in HTML and CSS, but I will start the proper CSS from tomorrow. This is the day 3 and I have done nothing because I was busy with some personal work. Now moving to day 4, I have done some work, but I can't record it, but I will show you all that I completed the HTML and CSS. Also I have started the JavaScript. But at the end of day 4 I was facing bugs, lots of bugs, as you can see in the video. And there are not many days is left to solve it. I hope I will solve this bug at the end of the video. Now the day 4 has come to an end. And still the bug is not fixed. But I will hope to fix it in future. It is day 5 of making web game in 1 week. I was offline for a whole day to fix this bug, but somehow, I managed to fix it as I promise. Now I am moving to the credits section. I will meet you all after finishing it.
Hey everyone, for fonts I used Google Fonts, and for SFX I used SFXC Maker.
It is the ending of day 5 and I have finished the game only in 5 days. But I will make sure that there should be no bugs and issue is left. I will meet you all tomorrow on day 6. This is day 6 and I have finished the game yesterday only, but today I will go through the game properly to check whether it is ready to published or not. Now I have been gone through the game properly and found no issue in it. Means this game is ready for publishing. This is day 7 of making and publishing the web game. I have published the game, now you can check it on itch.io. And comment for more awesome challenges. And that is for today, guy. I will meet you in the next video.